Hi, good morning everyone. It's Tuesday and I have a tip for you. So today you're joining me in my laundry area because last week there was BOGO. You buy turmeric, you get Purify free. Woo, Purify. So if you have your Purify from last week's BOGO, I have a couple of tips to help you figure out how to use it. So first thing I do is I have a clean cycle for my washer. So I put 2 drops in the drum and let it run that cycle. So that's one way to use it. I also invested in these cute little dryer wool balls that you can get a little satchel of 6 on Amazon. And today is Amazon Prime, so check it out. You might get a discount there. So there's cute little dryer balls, 4 or 5 drops per ball, and then I throw it in the dryer, and my sheets and towels smell amazing. And it's beach season right now and pool season, so you know that stuff is woo. You want to use this, get this cleansing blend started. Also, you can make a little cute spray bottle. I have about 10 drops in here. The rest of it is distilled water. You can use tap water, totally fine. And I use it to freshen the bathroom. And yeah, mostly the bathrooms. I use it to clean the mirrors. It works well there. It doesn't leave any streaks or residue. And then I also use it as a poo-poo spray. The kids make a little stinky, I spray it in the toilet, or you can spray it before guests come over in the toilet bowl and you're ready to go. So those are a couple of tips of how I use Purify. I even have a diffuser in the room where the cat box is, and that helps eliminate those odors, and I put a few drops in their cat box when I add new litter to it. So those are my tips. I also want to share that doTERRA is doing another BOGO today. I think they're doing one a week this month. Excuse me. Today you can get frankincense. It's $45 wholesale. You get frankincense, you get 2 touches for free. That's the Breathe Touch and the Digest Zen Touch. Now the Breathe Touch is great for respiratory support. If you have any environmental or seasonal threats happening, that's great for that. It opens up the airways for better breathing. And the Digest Zen is great for tummy issues, feeling nausea, bloating, indigestion. You want to rub some of that on your belly. Also, another helpful tip is put a little bit on your index finger and then tap your cheekbones, and that'll help relieve any sinus issues you might be experiencing that are triggered by environmental or seasonal threats when that happens. So that's it for me. If you don't have an account, I'll be happy to set one up for you so you can get this BOGO at 25% off. Or it's actually more buy one, get 2. So yeah, I'll see you next week with next week's tip. I hope you got something out of it. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.